Hello everyone, teacher Damien here from the Creative Edu Academy, and today right in front of me here we have the Fun for Flyers student book in Presentation Plus, and today we'll be learning topic 9, unit 9, in my classroom and what items are inside the classroom. So here, let's start off with this first activity. A. Find the two halves of the sentences. Number 1, we have glue. When you break a cup or plate, you can try to repair it with this, with glue. Let's look here. Okay, scissors. They are usually made of metal and you can use them to cut thin card or plastic. Alright, number 3, a dictionary. When you don't understand a word, look in this to find out what it means. That's what you use a dictionary for. Alright, number 4, a bin. When something is old and you don't want it, it's a good idea to put it in one of these. So we'll put it here. All right, a calendar. To help you to remember a special day, draw a circle round the date on this. Number 6, a file. You keep information in this on a computer or a laptop. All right, moving on to the next question, to the next activity. Listen and tick the box. Where can William sit now? A, B, and C. Now let's listen.
9b. In my classroom. Listen and look. There is one example. Where can William sit now?
Can I sit on one of the new dark blue chairs today, Mrs. White?
Not today, William. Sit at your normal desk by the door, please.
Can't I sit at the back of the classroom with my friend Charlie?
Sorry, not this morning.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is the first lesson today?
Are we going to have a sports lesson today, Mrs. White?
Not today, William. Your sports teacher is ill.
Oh no! Will we have maths again then?
No, you'll have a geography lesson first this morning. Mr. Jones will come and teach you in that class.
2. What should the students take to their art class?
What must we bring for our art class tomorrow?
You'll need to bring some glue. That's all.
But what about scissors? We're going to cut out some pictures from magazines again, aren't we?
Yes, but I'll give you those. I'll give you pencils and rubbers too.
3. What did William forget to bring to school?
Now, have you got all the things that you need at school today?
I've got all my books.
Well done, William. But you'll need other things too.
Well, I've got my new plastic ruler, but oh no, my glasses aren't here.
Oh dear. Well, perhaps your mum can bring them for you.
4. Where should the students put their dictionaries?
Now, take out your new blue dictionaries.
The ones in our desks?
Yes, William. And put them on that empty shelf.
The shelf that's next to the cupboard?
I mean the one above the bookcase.
Oh, okay.
5. What kind of competition is it?
Right. One more thing. There's a competition here in school next Tuesday.
Yes, there's a circle round that date on the classroom calendar. What kind of competition is it? Is it a music competition?
That's a good idea, but no. It's a spelling competition, William.
Does the winner get a nice prize?
Yes, a poster with all the planets on it.
Great!
Alright, so we're checking our answers and we got all of them correct. So William sat in B, B, C, B, C, and C. So we got them all correct. Alright, so that wraps it up for our video of today. I hope to catch you all in the next video with our next lesson. Bye again from Teacher Damien. I'll see you next time.